3H acupressure bed, SPINALINE, assembly video.
Product components. Product components include 2 support brackets, 1 screw bag containing 12 screws, 4 bolts, and 4 nuts. Place the 2 frames side by side on the floor where you intend to install the bed. Adjust the leveling feet to stabilize and level the bed.
Connect the frame components. When using an electric drill, tighten screws carefully to avoid stripping or damaging the screw heads. Attach the brackets, inserting them underneath the frame. First, align the holes on both the bracket and the frame, then hand tighten the screws into place. Operating unit installation. To ensure safety, it is recommended to wear gloves during the installation of the operating unit.
Power panel extends outside. Secure the power panel with 4 bolts and nuts. Align and place the operating unit on the frame. Place the mat on the frame. Carefully match the groove on the circular connector of the operating unit with the groove on the circular on the mat and connect them securely. Insert the pillow.
Plug in the power cord.
Carefully match the grooves on the remote control's circular connector and connect them securely.
Press the power button. Installation complete.